Here's a great example for best fit by point. We have a given point 101 with its coordinates. If we double pick, these are the coordinates given, no elevation. And these were the points that were shot to this point. And being it was in the woods, the fix was relatively good with the BRX7 and Listen-Listen base. And we're going to average these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 points into a new point number called 101X and erase all these points to see what we come up with. We come up to Kogo, go down to best fit, and on the flyout pick the very top item, best fit point. And it says select points from screen, we will, and select entities. I'm just going to select all these entities. And it still picked up 101, so we're going to remove that one. So we have A through I, all 9 right here. And you can see that they're all in close proximity. We're having some issues with the vertical maybe, with a few over a tenth. 1, 2, 3, this one close to a tenth, so we'll say 4, getting very close to a tenth. Well, let's just say 3, definitely over a tenth. And at this point, we're going to type in 101X. Capital X, and we'll just say average 9. Right there. Now it says process elevations, yes. Output average point, yes. 101X. Delete input points. So these points A through I 101 will be all deleted. So we're going to pick OK. There you have the report, and it comes up with the delta change from max to minimum, a tenth, 0.052, and the vertical spread was 0.258. So that is the spread right there. Again, it's our heavy canopy, and the horizontal fix was within a tenth, high to low for the northing, 500ths for the easting, but the vertical did see some fluctuation. We're going to go ahead and output 106. And you can send this output to screen, you can send it to your printer, or you can save it as a file. You can print it as a PDF file if you want to. I'm just going to hit the exit. And you can see that all the points disappeared, and there's 101X. So I'm going to come up here, do move point attributes. I'll move this one over here, and there is the average 9. I'm going to erase 0.101, but not in the coordinate file. Delete points from coordinate file, no. And delete points, yes. And now I'm going to just type in LP. And I am going to change this to this guy here and draw a range, absolutely, and I'm going to type 101. And there you have it. And at this point, I'm going to come over here to move point attribute with leader and just pick this point right about there. And there you have it. 101 was the given coordinates. Now, just out of curiosity, if we type I for inverse, and type 101 to, which has a 0 elevation, to 101X, we're off by 0.086, 0.083 is an inch, so we're off by approximately an inch, and it's in the northeast direction. So we went from 101 to 101X, so we're off by about an inch in the northeast direction. Northeast 90 would be due east, so it's obviously in this direction 69 degrees, and 69 degrees 23, and I inverse between these. So we held 102 here, and 101 we used as a rotation point only. Using the GPS, hit it 9 times, and came within an inch of its location. So that's how you can use best fit by point command here to essentially delete your input averaged points and get one new point, 101x, for that location to then compare to the given control, 101. Okay, and that's the end of this movie.